Bounty Killer gets a major US award. Although he's unable to travel to the United States, veteran dancehall DJ Bounty Killer continues to make a tremendously positive impact stateside in the music industry.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
On Sunday the 18th of February 2018, he was honored with a Blue and Bougie Lifetime Achievement Award at the Mingles Cafe in Bronx, New York for his outstanding contribution to the music industry in Jamaica and internationally.
And put the steer of adversity in a Babylon face.
Bounty Killer!
Take the case.
Congratulations, Killer.
Get real. You're realistic, don't just be a statistic. Never.
I had to do the honors, and indeed it was an honor to receive the award for Bounty Killer. Killer, big up yourself, Leo.
Hundreds of music fans, radio DJs, celebrities, beauty queens, models and influencers from the creative industries roared enthusiastically as Bounty's image appeared on Jumbotron screens inside Mingles Cafe as the DJ accepted his award in a glitzy pre-recorded video message from Kingston.
Kaboom, kaboom, Blue and Bougie. Hello, good evening everybody. I just want to say a big thank you to Blue and Bougie Inc. out of New York City. Thanks for this Lifetime Achievement Award. It's much appreciated. It's always an honor to be honored while one's alive. And I'm sure this will help me to push and carry the music and help the people as much as possible. I just want to say, keep up the good works. It's always great to recognize and acknowledge good works and great deeds. And may the Lord go with you all. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you again. Kaboom! Blue and Bougie, Blue and Bougie.
Speaking after the presentation, a beaming Blue and Bougie Inc. executive Jerry McDonald said Bounty is most deserving of the international award. We felt compelled to honor Bounty Killer with a Lifetime Achievement Award for his exceptional talent as a DJ, songwriter, on-stage performer, and for helping to take dancehall music to the four corners of the globe, McDonald said.
You know, it's Teach Them, the #1 intellectual blogging panel on the YouTube channel.
Peeps, what more can I say? Many times on this channel I have stated that I credit Bounty Killer as being the most influential dancehall artist in the history of the genre. He has being influential directly and indirectly in almost every major dancehall artist career that you can think of, whether it is through lyrical confrontation, lyrical feuds, encouragement, bringing them to the stage shows or to promoters, or just giving a word of advice. You understand? All the giants in the industry today would have had some form of influence from Bounty Killer in their career. Many persons are quick to cast Bounty Killer in a less than positive light, and they will be quick to remind you of his missteps down the years. And yes, Bounty Killer have his flaws and his faults like any other human beings, and Bounty Killer would have made some bad choices down the years, but Bounty Killer has grown, he has matured, and he has done what many artists fail to do, and that is to remain relevant over decades in this music, and he continues to deliver. For me, one of the biggest songs for 2018 is Bounty Killer's All a Dream. That song is too real, peeps. You understand me? I say,
Killer, big up yourself, Leo.
That everything you can achieve in one go. Some things are very hard, but when you overcome that hurdle, you get a sense of real reward.
So you must give credit where credit is due, and as I've said before, nobody has influence more persons in the dancehall space than Bounty Killer has. The effect and influence that Bounty Killer has had on this music is unparalleled and unrivaled, and the man is just a living legend. So congratulations again to the big man. He is most deserving of this award, and I see many more in his future. So continue to elevate and uplift and encourage and motivate the youths them. Godfather, you understand me? I say manners and respect every time. One general. Kaboom.
For your dreams and you will achieve. You'll find no
Man, put in the work.
just keep it real.
Bounty Killer.
The brave fall, but they never heal. Yeah. subscribe and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Not everything you can achieve in one go. Some things are very hard, but when you overcome that hurdle, you get a sense of real reward. Even the greatest stumble, but still don't let down your guard. You got to motivate yourself, elevate yourself. No underestimate yourself, push yourself, go for your dreams, and you will achieve. You find out how success feel. Just keep it real, don't drop your shield. The brave fall, but they never heal. Teach them. Every great story have a history, but it take guts and zeal. So in order for you achieve your victory, you gotta put your shoulders to the wheel. Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.